Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the bulls took advantage yesterday, just continue to progress. Yesterday's high, 86.5. We've already made a higher high today, 88.25. The jobs report was nothing startling. It was nothing this, nothing that. They took it down to the hourly mid-band. Let's go to the hourly chart. They took it down to the hourly mid-band here. They printed 77.25 and then back up to print 88.25. So you're seeing a series of higher highs. You're seeing hourly mid-band support. You see it here, 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 and again here. So the hourly bands also, since about 10 o'clock yesterday morning, the majority of yesterday's regular session was pretty choppy, and it was choppy, kind of slanted to the downside. On a 5-minute chart, it just kind of did this, this flagging kind of a range that never really broke out, never really broke down throughout the course of the regular session. What they did in the overnight was your classic walk up before jobs. So now what we have to see is, do they want to progress? If they do, I think 3,000 is a pretty easy get today. It's Friday. The weekly pivot was decided, Sunday night through Tuesday afternoon, and it's lifted out. We talked about it lifting out of that consolidation Wednesday morning, and it hasn't looked back. So if higher highs are on offer, the type of day for us that today probably will be tends to be a little more trendy, a little more directional, and that sets itself up for the bulls. So what are the bears going to have to do in order for anybody to even take them seriously? They're going to have to convert the hourly mid-band to resistance all the way through and convert. If you do that, then these tight bands can spill out to the downside. And that'll be a really nice little short to get into today if we can. But for now, you cannot assume that the bears are worth a damn. You have to assume that they're just really not. And they've done nothing in the 16 minutes since the job report to suggest that. All they've done is confirm hourly mid-band as support again. So that's where we are. Off the open, the key area on any retest is 78 through 82. We've got our proprietary moving average in there. Volume weighted average price is 81. That'll rise after the open, probably to meet price. And then, as I said, the hourly mid-band is at 78. So any noise the bears make above the hourly mid-band is just that. It's noise. Convert it, open this up to the downside, and then we'll talk. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Trade them well. Talk to you Monday morning. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.